anticipate that Subaru's reintroduced compact hatchback will look very similar to the company's Crosstrek crossover vehicle. Subaru has released teaser images of the upcoming 2024 Impreza's front design, which includes the grille, lower fascia, and headlamp. Subaru also announced that the world premiere of their all-new compact hatchback will take place in Los Angeles on November 17, 2022. Hi, welcome back to NamCar channel. In this video, we are still going to discuss about the new Subaru Impreza and what's new for 2024. Stay tuned and we will find out today. The current Impreza, which is the 5th generation, hit the market for the 2017 model year. In that year, sales peaked at just over 86,000, but in 2020, they dropped by almost half. In 2021, they went down again. Customers might be more interested in the model if it got a complete makeover inside and out, but they still prefer bigger crossovers and SUVs. As shown by the latest teaser, which shows a lot of the front bumper, the new Impreza is likely to be a road-focused version of the recently updated Subaru Crosstrek. The headlights look the same as those on the Crosstrek, but the grille on the Impreza is different, and the bumper has less plastic cladding. We also think it will have a lower ride height than the crossover, making it look more like a traditional hatchback. Additionally, the headlights look to share a similar lighting signature with the most recent Crosstrek. Subaru previously previewed the hatchback form of the Impreza, which revealed little about its design. Subaru also claims to have redesigned the interior in partnership with medical schools, considering the anatomy and physiology of drivers to provide sound ergonomics and an intuitive relationship between driver, vehicle, and road. There will also be the latest generation of eyesight driver assistance systems, but the exact details are still being worked out. At least 9 airbags will be installed to protect passengers in the event of a crash. Powertrain details are still not yet accessible. Since the Crosstrek and Impreza share a similar powerplant, the all-new sedan could be equipped with a 2.0-liter e-boxer flat-4 engine. Additionally, a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 engine may be available, in addition to a Linetronic CVT and symmetrical all-wheel drive system. The 2024 Impreza will likely come standard with a Linetronic CVT and symmetrical all-wheel drive system. The new Impreza should come standard with all-wheel drive, but it's not clear if Subaru will make any big changes to the powertrain. The engine in the current car is a 2.0-liter boxer 4-cylinder that makes 152 horsepower, 113 kilowatts, and 145 pound-feet of torque, 196 newton-meters. That's not a lot of power for an Impreza, and an improvement would be nice. But we won't find out about new engines or outputs until the auto show. So, what do you think? All the information on this video is unofficial, but the official specs, features, and Subaru Impreza will be updated as soon as possible after the official launch. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and leave comment. Thanks for watching.